And welcome back, students, to another version of logic gates. Previously we had covered and, now this time we get to cover or. So a quick recall that a logic gate is a representation of two states. We did that binary is 0 or 1, and true or false is an example of a binary state, typically true representing 1, false representing 0. Now, as I mentioned previously, we had already looked at and, so now we get to examine or. So our next logical gate is or, and an or logic gate is one that implements a logical conjunction and behaves according to the truth table below. What this means is that at least one condition, A and B, must be true in order for the answer to be true. And here's our truth table, so if you look, you can see that when A is 0 and B is 0, the output is 0. When A is 0 and B is 1, the output is 1. When A is 1 and B is 0, output's 1, and when they're both 1, output's 1. Again, let's do like we've been doing, look at the truth table with true falses. And so you can see, just like we kind of saw before, when you have two falses, the output's false. Otherwise, if there's at least one true in there, either on A or B, it doesn't matter, we have a output of true. Similarly, if both are true, obviously both are true. Alright, here's our logic gate representation. So here's our or logic gate. And you notice again, both A and B are outputs and generate an output, which is labeled Y. How does or work? So here's our simple example. We want to see if a number is smaller than 1 or bigger than 100. So I'm going to start first to see if the number is smaller than 1. This will return either true or false. I'm going to test to see if the number is bigger than 100. This is also going to return true or false. So here's our example. This is our previous example of 1 and 100. And we're going to test the number 43. So first I'm going to test to see if the number is smaller than 1. This is going to return false. Then I'm going to test to see if the number is bigger than 100. This is also false. So since both conditions are false, the logic gate will return an answer false. Alright, let's look at another one. Except now we're testing -7. So now I'm going to test to see if the number is smaller than 1. This is going to return true. Then we're going to test to see if the number is bigger than 100. This is going to return false. So if the first condition is true, then the logic gate will return true, as only one of those conditions needs to be true for the entire logic gate to be true. Now, if we had done this and we found that the first one was false and the second one was true, we still would have gotten the answer true. Similarly, if both had been true, we also would have gotten the answer true. So with and, the only time you have a different condition other than false is when both are true. And with or, the only time you have a condition other than true is when both are false. So they're kind of like opposites of each other. Alright, and that concludes our notes for today, folks. Until next time.